Hi, everybody. I'm going to do a really quick video on how to insert work into your Google site. So the first step is you're going to be on this page. You're going to go to Insert in the right bar. Once I go to Insert, you can click for a image you've downloaded, but I recommend just going straight to Google Drive. Now, let's say you remembered at Christmas, you did a wonderful stocking activity for your art class. So I'm going to select stocking, search. I do have something like that. Okay. So I'm going to find the one that I want to put on my page. I'm going to double click that. And you'll see it's already popping on your page. You can resize it as well. So here I go. I'm going to the corner. I'm making those arrows come up, resizing it. You also might need to crop it. So you're going to have to do a little playing around to get it the size and the view that you want. And once you're happy with it, you're going to need to republish again. So don't forget any work you put on here. You're going to need to choose publish. It will let you review the changes and compare your previous version. And if you're happy with what you see, then you can choose publish. And I can go over here and say, oh, well, what's on this one? Why are they different? Where's my Santa? Oh, there's Santa. Yay. Okay, and then I'm going to choose publish. Thank you. I hope this has been a helpful tip.